So this is the project I was making years back, and somehow I stopped. So I have taken it out and started to re completing it basically. So this is the base. I mean, I'm copying this from. I saw this chair on YouTube, and some of you will be familiar. The base is done as well. I mean, everything is done. Just have to just had to finish this place over here because it was a bit not neat. So yesterday I did sanding, grinding, everything to bring it to the maximum I can because it's quite hard to work over here. But yeah, I'll do something about more, which I will show you while I'll be doing it. But anyways, so yeah, this piece will look fabulous one once it's been completed. I really love this design, and I was very much enthusiastic in making one. So, but I started this project years back actually, and then somehow I left it, and it was just lying there, and so now I have to complete it. So this is the main base, and the wood will come, pieces will come over here all the way, and it's from bottom. I mean, you're gonna see what it will look once it's completed. But it will be a cool project. I mean, it is a cool project. I mean, I really learned from it. While making this, this was something I did first time, so challenging. I mean, it was not that easy. I mean, it's not that easy actually. It's very challenging for a new beginner. I mean, I hardly knew woodworking at that time, but I finished it well. So the centerpiece is of wood, which is light in color, is pine wood, and the rest is all walnut. It's from one tree, but somehow the color is different from here because it's a separate piece from a separate cutting. I mean, the palette. I mean, but the tree is one. So, but it's coming out really nice, and hopefully it will. Uh, it's not to sit on actually. It's just a piece to look at and admire it. What I'll say. But if you want to sit, you can, but it will be that strong, hopefully. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on this. In the process, I'll do what I can to show you the video of it. And yeah.